So here we need to obtain the value of x given log of 4 with the base of x plus log of 16 with the base of x plus log of 64 with the base of x equals to 12. So what we'll do, we can combine all the three logarithms on the left hand side by using a property of logarithm. So if we have log of a plus log of b, so that's equivalent to log of a times b, provided all of them has the same base. So here, as the three logarithm has same base, we can use this property to combine them, and this is going to give us log with the base of x. So we have 4 multiplied to 16 multiplied to 64. So that's equals to 12. Or we have log of 4, so that will be 2 squared, 16 will be 2 raised to the power of 4, and 64 will be 2 raised to the power of 6 with the base of x, and that's equals to 12. Now what we'll do, we'll use the definition of logarithm. Our definition being, if we have log of a with the base of b is equals to c, so that means we have a equals to b raised to the power of c. And this will give us, we have 2 squared, so we can add them. We'll use the property of indices. If we have a raised to the power of b times a raised to the power of c, that's equivalent to a raised to the power of b plus c. So that means we have 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 plus 6. And using the definition of logarithm, we have x raised to the power of 12. So that gives us 2 raised to the power of 12 equals to x raised to the power of 12. So that means we are getting an equality where we have 2 raised to the power of 12. That's equals to x raised to the power of 12. So since the power or the exponents are equal, so their base must be the same. So this means that x value is 2. So this is the value of x for the given logarithmic equation.